Hey everyone, welcome back to the Techie Stack Hub. If you use Google Chrome every day for work, study, business, or anything, then I have got some awesome tricks for you today. This 10 Chrome feature will instantly boost your productivity and make you work faster. Let's get right into it. First up, tab grouping. If you are like to edit, keep a crazy number of the tab open for a lifesaver. Right click on the tab and add it to a new group. Let's go to a URL and right click on the tab, and you can see a option called added tab to the new group, and you can simply make a new group or select other thing like me. Like I called it a new group AI, and let's select its color, and it's done. This group created. When I will be select this, it will be open the group. And if you want to add a new URL on that group, just click on this and added same thing, that added tab to new group. You can select the existing one or create one. If you just create it, and this will be the inside the group. Next is specific text highlighting. Let's go to Wikipedia, or you can select any other website. Just go to any article or any page, just copy a lines or a single place or whatever you want, click on right and select copy link to highlight. The link is copied and sent to the other person, any other devices, and he will get a link like this. Just he will be open this and he will get the places you have highlighted. Next one is seamless sync in. Just added your Google Chrome and sync the profile. If your profile is already synced in Chrome, then you will not see any kind sync button in this place. If you don't have this sync option enabled, then you will get a sync option on here. Click on this, and then you need to be logged on Chrome with mail accounts, and then you will get the every option whatever will be sync with this profile with your other devices, everything like your browsing links, everything on this Chrome and the other Chrome profiles. Other profiles means other devices in same profile. And next one is, it is also work on if you want to share a link with the someone that I wants to send it, that you can send it to your devices. Click on this and you can see your devices, that email is already logged in, and you can send it to your phone in real time. Want Chrome to open your favorite website automatically when you start the browser? Go to settings, open startup. On startup, click on the open specific or set a page. You will get like this. Added, you can add a new page, or you can click on edit and you can select whatever you want, and then that's it. You just okay, let's add another website, google.com. Just added this. I have added this one currently, and let's remove the old one, and this is set on the website section. And just I am going to close this, and I will open that profile. When I am opening this, and it is opening my Chrome instantly at first time when I am starting this. It will be very okay when you are closing or working similar task or similar websites daily. This will be help you to open on website when you start your Chrome or open your Chrome. Boom, instant productivity. Chrome flags. Chrome has hidden experimental feature called flags, and you will get this. And we will be unable. You can enable these settings from this uh, place. There is a lots of feature that will be help on your productivity. I will not mandatory or say everyone to enable these all options, because there is some, you may face some issues on place, but I will recommend it one more thing, that parallel downloading. You can enable this is actually work on, like when you are downloading something, this is work better than normal downloading speed. Like when you are downloading on free download manager or advanced download manager or IDM, internet download manager, like that you get the more speed. Okay, if you enable this, you will be see the difference between normal downloading and the speed downloading. This is make it faster. Enable it, restart Chrome, and download will be become more faster. Just remember, this feature is experimental, but they work great. Our next feature is Google search in this word. This is one is simple but powerful. Highlight any text. Just like me, you will get a website that you don't know something meanings of that. Click on reliability and DX. You need to be search on Google about the DX. Just click on right click and click search Google for DX. It will be automatically open the Google search. It opens a new tab with instantly search results. Perfect for quick definitions, research, and checking facts. Accidentally close a tab happens to all of us. Just press Ctrl Shift T. It will be restore the last closed tab. You can keep pressing it until you get back the old sites or old one. If you wants to back, you can pressing it to get the entire session. Our next feature is Chrome Task Manager. This is one is super useful. Chrome actually has its own task manager. Press Shift Escape K, or just simply click on the right and click on Task Manager. It will be open on that place. You can see how many resource using this Chrome, which tab is using more, and which extension using your mm, tabs, extension using more resources. Just click on the right you want to close, and you can close it from this place. This is very simple and you can manage it from this place. Create a desktop shortcut for website. Okay, simply pull, this is my website called laravelismtv.com. Other persons, and just I will be came here and it turn this website into an app. I am visited this website. You can visit your own website. Let's visit your website and go to the three dot icon, and you will get a option cast, save and share. There is a lots of feature, but we need to be use install page and app. I will click on this and let's configure its name and click on install, and it will be installed in an app, and the icon will be in your home screen. When you open it, then you can see this website is open as an app, and you can also share this with your friends and others. And our next one is send tab to another devices. Okay, I need to open this in my another Chrome profile that I have synced with my website. Okay, let's go to this same website I have visit previously. This is called the laravelismtp.com. If you have Chrome signed in multiple devices, you can send this tab instantly. Just active your devices. I mean, I want to say that your devices need to be connected on internet, and then you can click the URL section, click on right, and you will get a option sent to your devices. Select your phone or tab or laptop and click on this. Chrome will instantly open that page on this device. Chrome will instantly open that page on your other device. Super handy when switching from PC to mobile. And that's it. These 10 Chrome features seriously improve your workflow and make browsing much faster and more organized. Let me know which feature you don't know before. And if you want a part 2 of the hidden Chrome tricks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to this video with someone who needs this boost. Thanks for watching. I am see you in the next one.